What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while. You saw we loaded up some parts into the Subaru. It's going to be a fun day today. Based upon the title below, it's a splitter kit from Artwork Body Shop. Super stoked to be working with them again. Great company, high quality products. Link to their website will be in the description below as well. This isn't going to be a tutorial video on how to install their splitter kit. If you want to see a tutorial, we did the same thing on the TL. It's the same hardware. I'll put a card up there for you. But yeah, I'm very excited to see the finish of this kit. It's a little different than the one on the TL, and I'm super excited to also see the finished product. Let's get going on this. We got a long day ahead of us if it's anything like the TL, and well, let's get going. Alright guys, well, since location number 1 was a bust because the floor jack broke, I'm headed off to location number 2. Should be there shortly. I really want to get this kit on. I haven't done anything, it's still back there. I unboxed it, which you guys saw earlier. Hopefully I can get this on, and we'll pick back up once I get to the second spot.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, 3 hours later, the front is on. It looks super good, aggressive. They sent me out all different spacer sizes, so I was able to get that on. We did not do the side yet because, as you can see, we ran out of daylight. Was it worth our nice 3-hour install? No. He's just all upset because it's not his. But yeah, this is gonna be a 2-day thing because I'm definitely not putting the side splitters on right now. I have no daylight, it's cold out, and I kind of want to go home, and he wants me out of here. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and we'll see you the next time. Alright guys, it's the next day. We have to finish putting this kit on. We got the side splitters to do today. Hopefully it's not as long as the front. Luckily I don't have to do it outside. I got a shop that I can go to. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today's video. I'm exhausted. It took a lot longer than I thought, but it's absolutely worth it. This kit looks killer. In my opinion, it is the best flowing kit there is. It's simple, it's clean, and for me, that's really what it's all about. I don't like super aggressive aero. I don't like too much of it. Artwork Body Shop killed it on this kit. Like I said before in the video, their link will be the top of the description, and if you use code TAG, which I'll put right there, you can save yourself some money if you want a kit. It's not just Subarus, it's all sorts of cars that they make. Check out their website below. But I just can't get enough. Oof. But yeah guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.